सेक्सुअल डायमॉर्फिज्म, मतलब मेल और फीमेल्स में ज्यादा मेजर डिफरेंसेस नहीं थे. तो कंपेयर टू अर्लियर होमिनिड्स, होमो इरेक्टस. So today we'll have a discussion on Homo erectus. Now, who were Homo erectus? Definitely it's an extinct hominin. Okay, it's a Homo erectus is a species of extinct hominin. So ये 2 million to 300,000 years ago हमको मिला करते थे. It is considered as one of the early human species and are characterized by several anatomical and behavioral features. तो ये जो Homo erectus है, इनको हम truly consider करते हैं that they are our closest ancestors to modern humans, right? So Homo sapiens sapiens, that is modern men. Modern men के हम कह सकते हैं कि होमो इरेक्टस की ऐसी बहुत सारे एनाटॉमिकल और सोशल फीचर्स थे जो कि ह्यूमन से रिलेटेड है. सो इसीलिए होमो इरेक्टस इन द फाइलोजेनेटिक स्टेटस प्लेज अ इम्पोर्टेंट रोल फॉर अस टू हैव कंप्लीट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. तो कुछ इनके एनाटॉमिकल और बिहेवियरल फीचर्स पे चर्चा करेंगे. तो सबसे पहला जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है, इट्स दैट इट्स वेरी नेम इरेक्टस. Okay, it refers to their upright posture. So you can see this fellow primate, Homo erectus, is standing in an upright position. Okay, so Homo erectus walked on 2 legs. Now they are capable of walking on their 2 limbs. They are not using their other 2 limbs, like their hands. तो क्वाड्रिपीडियल नहीं है. अब ये बिल्कुल स्टेट पोजीशन में खड़े हुए हैं. ओके, सो ये एक डिफाइनिंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है होमोनिड्स का. ओके, यहाँ पे दूसरा फीचर आप देखोगे दैट इन अमंग होमो इरेक्टस वी हैव रिड्यूस्ड सेक्सुअल डायमॉर्फिज्म, मतलब मेल और फीमेल्स में ज्यादा मेजर डिफरेंसेस नहीं थे. तो कंपेयर टू अर्लियर होमिनिड्स, होमो इरेक्टस exhibited reduced differences in body size between males and females. Okay, so this is another important characteristic. Now, cranial features. So cranial features, it's basically your this position. तो आपका brain size क्या है, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे आप एक important point हम समझते हैं कि जब भी हमारे पास fossil evidences होती है तो कुछ features होते हैं जिसको हम अच्छे से स्टडी करते हैं. जो पैलियोंटोलॉजिस्ट है या पैलियोएंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट है, दे एग्जामिन सर्टेन फीचर्स, राइट? So one of the important feature is about brain size. So Homo erectus had a significantly larger brain size compared to earlier hominids, definitely smaller than that of modern humans. So the cranial capacity of Homo erectus was 900 to 1100 cubic centimeters. Okay, now you will see that the shape of their skull, Homo erectus का shape कैसा था? Okay, so sloping forehead, the sloping forehead and long skull. Alright, so Homo erectus typically had a long shape with a sloping forehead and the brow ridges were prominent. आप देखोगे ये जो brow ridges है ये काफी ज्यादा prominent है. तो ये दूसरे important features हैं. इसके अलावा और बहुत सारे important physical anatomical features हैं which we discuss in our class. मतलब डिटेल में उसमें से discussions होता है, लेकिन ये कुछ मैंने important आपको पॉइंट बताया है कि anatomical features आपको बताना पड़ेगा, फिर आपको geographical locations explain करने चाहिए. So Homo erectus and their fossils कहाँ आपको मिला है? So Homo erectus had a wide geographical distribution ranging from Africa to parts of Asia and Europe. So fossil finds have been discovered in places such as Java, China, Georgia and parts of Africa. Now, what type of industries they had? Industries का मतलब के stools, किस तरीके के stools वो use करते थे. तो Homo erectus is associated with Ashurian tool industry. Okay, तो ये इंडस्ट्री हम आर्कियोलॉजी में इसको इंडस्ट्री के नाम से ही समझते हैं. सो इट इज लाइक कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय बाइफेशियल्स. बाइफेशियल्स मतलब कि दोनों साइड से इन पे काम किया गया है. सो फ्लेक्ड ऑन बोथ साइड, हैंड एक्सेस एंड क्लेवर्स. So from here also they have worked, and from here on this side. So both sides, these people have sharpened their tools. So this suggests an ability to create more sophisticated tools than earlier hominids. Now behavioral adaptation, they were using fires, okay? And fire, it was just not only for their ability to cook food, it is also for ritual purposes. Okay, it was also for having various social gatherings. जहाँ पे आते थे, खुश रहते थे, एक grouping बनती थी, and they used to have everlasting moods around that fire. Okay, so fire use was there, long distance travel, and this is, we can talk about their social structure. So they were living in a social group, and they had the ability to use tools and control. Fire was also facilitated by them, and it has created a kind of very knitted social groups, right? So social structure was very important. So Homo erectus, we know that it's a crucial species in human evolutionary history, as it represents a stage of adaptation and development between earlier hominids and later hominid species such as Homo sapiens, right? So this provides a very important insight for us to understand evolutionary development or among humans. I hope you understood the relevance of Homo erectus in evolutionary or phylogenetic status of human evolution. Thank you.